New technology coming to Arizona to predict flooding and also prevent a wildfire. Moisture sensors, they're going in the ground to gauge how dry the land really is.
Soil that's too dry can't absorb the water, which creates a higher risk of flooding and wildfires. This new tech, though, should help predict wildfires and flooding across the state. Fox 10's Brian Webb shows us how it works.
SRP says plant moisture in both live and dead plants is one of the best indicators for wildfire risk. But going out and getting field samples by hand is tough, time-consuming work, so this new technology will do the heavy lifting for them. SRP crews are digging holes in the Tonto National Forest and planting tiny pieces of technology they hope will provide a treasure trove of data.
If it's a dead piece of vegetation, we want to know how much moisture it's holding. If it's live, we want to know how much it's holding in that as well, so that we can gauge on predicting on how bad wildfires can spread. 3
sensors at 10, 30, and 60 centimeters down, each sending moisture readings to a computer screen once every hour. Compare that to the current system, taking samples by hand twice a month. Forestry teams at NAU will monitor and interpret the readings.
So when we get these measurements below the forest, we get a better idea of fire ignition beneath the trees and how that may spread.
These moisture measurements should provide important clues like the risk of wildfire at any given location, along with how likely it is to spread and how big it might get, along with predicting floods.
And from a water perspective, thinking about flooding will give us a lot of information as to how wet or dry that soil is, and possibly doing better flood prediction as well.
Knowing all this could help prevent wildfires and protect Arizona's reservoirs and keep the power flowing to your home. Seeing the big picture with small devices buried in the ground.
We want to try to keep the power on, right? Like, that's our job. We want to keep everybody's AC cool this time of year and the refrigerators on.
This technology was created by a company called Growvera. This is a 1-year pilot program, but if it works, it'll be tested in other sites all across the state. In Phoenix, Brian Webb, Fox 10 News.